the big use case I'm personally working on is the curated knowledge base, right? So what's in those nuances? Well, it's text data, it's documents, it's emails, it's social media posts, it's whatever communications people have. And now we're going to start relating them to each other. We're going to start building up a base of knowledge. What do I have? What do I know? Who do I know? Where are things that I need? Right. And so when I say, to my personal agent, okay, well, here's the thing. I need to have a new sewer installed at my house. And, so what am I gonna need to get that done? Well, I'm going to need an excavator, and I'm going to need a building permit, and I'm going to have to talk to the county sewer guy, and I'm going to have to do all of these things. What resources do I have that can help me with that task? Right. Say, well, I did get this email, and I have this contact information for these four different excavators, and I know this plumber because he did work for me before, and I can, my agent can go and collect up all the information that I know, and then say, okay, now here are the gaps. Here's some search data on the gaps, and it can start putting together for me a solution to a problem, just based on what it knows that I know. And then maybe, start thinking about data that I share with other people. Well, now other people have a problem, and their agent can say, well, hey, Phil knows about that because he's shared some data about that. So why don't you talk to him, because he can help. Right. So agents are then first able to help you organize and understand the resources that you know about and you have, and then let you share that with other people who are also sharing their stuff. Now you're building this big network of resources, right? So the kinds of things that you would do if you set out to solve a problem that you have, your agent can then do for you.
And how long till you see this becoming something that every household will be able to use?
Well, that's one of those that depends questions. Some preliminary work has already been done going down that road. Some of the low level work, like building NLP kinds of models to parse up information and extract entities and relationships from it. Some of that work's already been done. I've been doing it for years. I would say, given a little bit of funding, any one of these projects, because I want to point out that some of the customers, even that Air Force contract, is predicated on some folks that would like to see us do this specific thing that the Air Force wants, but then generalize that into a commercial product, and that commercial product will be along the lines of this sort of curated knowledge kind of an idea. So basically, if I had funding right now to hire a team of developers, I would say we could have a first version of this on people's computers in a year to 18 months.